paper?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please. Number 1, you write, तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं हो सकता. तुम दोनों का कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Next one is there. Next one is there.
Ma'am, these are like two different.
Yeah, different. 5 sentences I will be just providing you. Please note down. Number 3 is तुम्हारे बहानों का कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Next one you write number 4. छोड़ो, उनका अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता. And the last 5 number 5 you write please. इस फोन का अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Please make them into translation. And then we discuss it. Just I am giving you 5 minutes. Till then, you just write down all this and next we meet. And that hint is का कुछ नहीं हो सकता. का कुछ नहीं हो सकता. That means it is a phrase you can say. And this English is nothing can be off. Nothing can be off. That is common. Every sentence nothing can be off will be added. After that, you need to write the next part of the sentence. For example, you see, तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Nothing can be of you. तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Nothing can be of you. That means तुम्हारा कुछ मतलब का कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Nothing can be of. And after that, the remaining part of the sentence will come you. I think you wrote already?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Next, तुम दोनों का कुछ नहीं हो सकता. The second one I will be telling you and like that you will be making the 3rd, 4th and 5th. Okay. So, तुम दोनों का कुछ नहीं हो सकता. I don't know whatever your answer is. The exact answer will be nothing can be of both of you. तुम दोनों का कुछ नहीं हो सकता. That is common. Nothing can be of तुम दोनों, both of you. Now I think you got the a bit answer how to write it. Okay?
Done, ma'am.
Yeah.
I'm done.
Very good. Plus now you do the 3rd, 4th and 5th and let me know after that.
Nothing can do your excuses. Excuses.
Next.
Nothing can be of your excuses.
Next.
Nothing can be of your excuses.
Next.
Nothing be off to your excuses.
Nothing can be off your excuses. Brilliant. Brilliant. You have done the great thing here. You have made it correct. Very good. Next. छोड़ो, उनका अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
Can I, ma'am?
Yeah.
Leave it. Nothing can be off to them now.
Next.
Leave it. Nothing can be off to both of. Yeah, nothing can be off both of them.
Next.
Leave it. No, nothing can be off to them.
Nothing can be off them now.
Them now.
Nothing can be off this phone now. That's all about the sentence. So whenever you get any sentence like that, you have to add nothing can be off. After that, the remaining part of the sentence and your sentence is complete. Doesn't that means get out of the memory how to remember. Mind knows the picture and it always remembers the picture. That's why I gave you the pictures of smashed, what is called smashed, what is called broken, what is called chipped, what is called cracked. I think there will be no problem about the pictures are showing here. So whenever there is something in the broken in the kitchen, you can say, oh, it is cracked or chipped or broken or smashed. Right? Are you there? Right? Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good,
Yeah.
very good. Thank you. So if there is any sentence like तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं हो सकता, so you have to add just nothing can be off. After that, the remaining part of the sentence you just add it and then make a very good completion of your sentence. And that's all about the two topics I have given you. Okay, so
And you?
Yeah, I'm pretty good. So what are you thinking about artificial intelligence? Can you present with me?
Yeah. Artificial intelligence. Because intelligence is very important nowadays because everything is depending on internet, like Google Assistant, like Alexa,
Vinod,
some. Yeah, ma'am.
yeah, in artificial intelligence, you pronounce this word very clearly. Okay, try to
Okay, ma'am.
pronounce. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Artificial intelligence. Like artificial intelligence would not overtake much times in comparison of human being. Like we can fast our work with the machines, with the online work. If we want to say, if we want to say something from anyone, then we can say through mobile phones. It is also a artificial intelligence machine. Like if we want to move one place to another place, then we can use car, bus, bike. This is also a part of artificial intelligence, and we can
Observation tasks and including robotics, control mechanisms, or computer vision, or scheduling and data mining. They fall under the umbrella of artificial intelligence. So these are the points from my side that can be easily explain the artificial intelligence. But what about the human intelligence? Can you say some points to us, Harshitya?
yeah for human intelligence.
Yeah.
Karan,
Yeah, I
Karan, your question is good, but you have to clarify. That means a bit more declaration should be needed. That means what do you want to know about human intelligence? What does it mean, and which part of the human intelligence you wanted to know? So clear your question. That is not cleared.
Okay, ma'am. So my question is that what is human intelligence? It is more essential than AIs. So what are you thinking about the human intelligence? It is good than AIs. If it is not good, then why?
Okay. Human intelligence, a lot of benefits. Like if we are doing job, like we are making artificial intelligence, then people also making artificial intelligence. If humans will not work, then how we can make artificial intelligence? We know that we are going on a moon through machines, but besides the machines, the scientists are doing working, and their mind is also doing working, but we are going to the machines. If scientists will do not work, then machine will do not work. That's why we can say that first human intelligence is very important. If human intelligence will not do work, then machines will do not work.
All of your informations was really very listenable. I was listening to you very authentically, and I don't think that there is a time for listening to Kajal and Shikha today. Tomorrow there will be their mode of talking about. So be ready, Kajal and Shikha, for tomorrow. And one thing is that I didn't get any vocabulary in talking with you, in listening to you, Kajal. That means Karan and this one Vinod. So how to use the vocabulary in talking, in speaking, in communicating, that's really very important. It's really very important. That one will be done tomorrow. I will show you how to use your vocabulary in the speaking so that it makes your habit and it can get your communication far better than earlier. it will your communication will be appealing, your way of talking will be attractive, and people will freak out whenever you will have any communication or interaction with each and everyone and with anyone you do. So that's all for today. Thank you for being here. Harshit, you be here for some second, and that's all. Thank you, Kajal. Thank you, Shikha, and see you tomorrow, please. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.